Giikaro giki gitongorio ni mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta, kora miikarire gitu wa kanju ya mangava na Oparanya atongoririe mangava na thingira-ini wa iregi. Ona gutuika bururi no urathi na mbere na kurana na murimu wa coronavirus, giikaro giki ni giitikiranirie bata wa kuhingura wonjoria na mithiire ya andu niguo kunyihia kigiriko kia andu ni wagi wa mawira uria ucungiirie unyihu wa irio na mbeca.
There is a lot of pressure for us to reopen the country. We have given ourselves 30 days additional, and we have done this in order to ensure that our citizens remain safe. But I do believe that within that 30 days, each and every one of us must do that which is necessary to ensure that even as we open up in a manner that is safe, that protects our citizens, especially the elderly.
Na niguo guteithĩrĩria undu uyu, atongoria ane morĩtie akenya gwitikira gwikira irembeko, gwithamba moko na thabuni na gwithema muingi hindi ciothe, na thirikari cia kaunti ni rithimaga andu urugari na dariri ingi cia COVID-19 iria me ciikaro-ini cia muingi.
County governments have put in place restriction guidelines of social distancing, including the social gatherings at markets, hotels, churches and churches.
Because there is no county that has not been touched in one way or another. Even the ones that have not experienced any cases have been touched because of the preparations that they have been making.
Guku bururi ugikinya arwaru ngiri 394 a murimu wa coronavirus haria 49 ni makuite, o kaunti ni yathitwo guthondeka itanda ingi 300 ma arwaru a COVID-19, riri namba irathi na mbere o kuongerereka. Undu uyu ni ugutigirira kaunti ciothe 47 ni ciongerera itanda 30,500 thiini wa mweri umwe, kuria thirikari nene ni irekeirie ciringi bilioni 5 cia tabarira ino.
We need to secure during this particular period an undertaking that every county should be able to deliver at least 300 beds in your isolation facilities. And towards this end, the National Treasury has already released approximately 5 billion Kenya shillings for this purpose.
Ningi kaunti ni ciuritio gutigirira thibitari no iraruta wira niguo gutigirira arwaru a mirimu itiganite ni mararigitwo niguo kugitira ikuo.
Trained cumulatively 16,214 healthcare workers in various cadres on COVID-19 case.
Giikaro kingi ta giki ni gutabanio wa gatatu kiumia giukite guthuthuria uhotekeku wa kuhingura makanitha, mathukuru ona kuregeria mithiire ya andu kaunti citiganite. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wanjiku.